Hola, I'm Senora Beers and I'm going to be showing you today how to use Google Tour Builder to build your project, and I'm also going to be showing you how to share it within Google Classroom so you can get it turned in on time. This video is intended mostly for my students, but if you are a teacher and you find it useful, please go ahead and share it. I don't mind. Anyway, let's get straight to the tutorial. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to bring up the website, so you can just Google Tour Builder or Tour Builder, and it is tourbuilder.withgoogle.com. So click on that. Now this pulls you up to this screen. Please make sure that you are signed in on your school account and not a personal account. And click Create Tour. So you want to name your tour. You can name it your country name. I'm going to go ahead and give you the United States as an example. So I'm going to say my tour through Los Estados Unidos. And please make sure that you put your real name here. You don't have to put your full name, but put either your first or your last name so I know who you are. Now this pulls up three things. This pulls up on the left a timeline, in the middle the editor, and then on the right the map. So what you do first is you go to the editor. I'm going to add a little picture on my intro of me, and I'll type my introduction. So you want to keep that the same, Story 3D. Your pointer you can change colors, or your path you can change colors. You can change your pointer too in a little bit. So we're going to go to Add Location, and your first stop does want to be your school. Remember, we're starting from the school. So I'm going to look up Mance Park Middle School. Works just like Google Maps. It's going to pull it over, and there we are. So we're going to add the tour. And then I'd like you to add a photo for each location. So there are several things you can do here. You can go from your albums and Google Photos. You can upload photos or videos if you wanted to. You can also add from your drive. There's an option to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to search for images. So it's going to use Google Search. Now if you don't find what you're looking for the first time, don't give up. So I'm going to switch to Huntsville. And I will find a picture of Huntsville. And that adds my picture to my tour. You can add dates if you want, but they are optional. You don't have to do it. What you do need is you need a little bit of text to accompany each slide, each stop on your trip. You will find what you need for your trip and according to the directions on the rubric, so please reference the rubric when doing this. You can change your pointer here, so I'm going to set this as Little Schoolhouse. And then you just click Add Location to add your new location. So now we're going to go to the Capitol. That's your next stop. And the map moves. So what I recommend doing here is I recommend you look up, you Google your country and interesting things to do in your country or historical sites in your country, and then you can, in Tour Builder, you can look them up through the map system and add them in, and you can look up photos. You can give me a little brief information about what each one is, maybe if it costs some money, if you have to buy a ticket. You need to give me some information for each place that you visit. And sometimes the rubric will tell you specific things that you have to have as well, like information about your country's government type or population, something like that. So once you're done, you want to come up here and you want to click Done Editing. And next we're going to learn how to share our tour. But right now you can kind of go through it and make sure everything's right. So double check your work. And now let's learn how to share it. So in Classroom, what you want to do is you want to share a link. So I'm going to show you how to do that in just a sec. First thing you need to do is you need to open the assignment that you're working in. You want to go to the share button, which is right next to where you click Done Editing. And that big link up there, you want to click it and copy it. Go back, click Add Link, and paste the link in. And once you click Add Link, it'll pop up, and you want to make sure that you hit the turn in button when you're ready to go. And that's it. If you have any other questions, you can either rewatch the video, you can leave a comment on the video and I'll get back to you, or you can come ask me in class and I'll be glad to help you out. Good luck on your projects, and I really do hope you enjoy it.